From the smallest central air systems to 100-ton commercial units, for over 40 years, DAVCO has been providing customers with the high-quality heating and cooling systems they need. Trust the professionals at DAVCO-Air-Conditioning-Heating-Corp for your HVAC services. Our experienced technicians provide a wide range of HVAC services, including installation, preventive maintenance, and repairs. Your satisfaction is DAVCO's #1 priority. No matter the size of the job, they are equipped to handle your needs. Call today for more information.